anyone for not going viral here on TikTok. So you go to your TikTok. Once you go to your TikTok, you tap on this search. When you tap on search, you're going to search for creator search insights. As you can see right there. When you search for creator search insights, you're going to see different options. You're going to tap on view. When you tap on view, TikTok is going to recommend different topics that can easily go viral on your account. So my topics will be different from mine. TikTok will recommend this depending on the kind of content that you post on your platform. So it will relate, whatever it will show you, it will relate it to whatever that you've been posting on a daily basis. So you can also tap on trending so that TikTok can show you different trends in different niches. You can see iPhone 6 Pro Max is trending. So if you make content about iPhone 16 Pro Max, it becomes easy for you to go viral. So if you want to make money on TikTok, comment I'm interested in the comments to show you how. Check my profile for tutorials.